most exciting thing is the new job dashboard. For me, I think you was the training academy, but to be honest, all of the options that have been, improvements that have been talked about today are amazing for us as a business, and I'd see for everyone else as well. What I really like about Commusoft is, rather than my staff having 6 or 7 apps to do multiple things, Commusoft can really bring that together. So the reason we came on board with Commusoft is because we're one of the only companies that does sales and service in one interface. So that's really useful. We want a seamless system, and basically we get people, we want our staff to be more productive and also spending less time doing the day-to-day manual tasks. Service conference is great because what my engineers will love is there's promise on there. So we can say it's going to be 4 times a year, and during the first visit you're going to do these tasks, the second you're going to do these, third and fourth, so on. And when they're on their apps, it's a matter of yes, I've done it, or no, I haven't, and takes out all the paper written stuff and scanning and manual tasks. So I think they're pleasantly surprised at how the system is going to really help them and benefit employees.
I think it's important from a sales point of view. We're taking information out of people's heads and we're putting it onto a system where all the quotes are uniformed. We get notifications on follow-ups, and I suppose it just takes the chance out of what we do. It's more of a selective process, which is definitely going to improve the way that we operate.
It's a bit of everything, to be honest. I think all 3 of those Commusoft will aid us with. One of the biggest things on the sales side is going to be reporting. So how many, we might have 6 main sectors, and what's the biggest sector? So we'll then target market, our sectors from. The reporting on Commusoft, whether that might be, the healthcare industry or facilities management, for instance. So that's going to really help us on the service side. It's going to definitely help the engineers be more efficient. But also communication in the business, I think that's probably a key factor for this. So, like you said, it takes information out of people's heads, but you can also assign a task to a specific person, which gives you that responsibility to then, if it's not done, you know why. And there's no miscommunication or manual reasons as to why that won't be done. So we're really looking forward to them sorts of improvements. We need to be using it for a good 6 to 12 months to get that sort of reporting out. And for us, we're a heavily first fix company, so we're really interested in those sorts of things. We think we're about 98 to 99% first fix. So if that drops, we want to know why. We're just constantly looking for improvements for our customers.
One of the biggest draws for me is the academy. How much time are we going to spend training people? How much time are we going to spend going over the same things? I love the idea. No, here's your link. Get on this. This is self-explanatory. You'll get a certificate at the end. I love that because it's change. And when you change things, if you don't do it correctly from almost a cradle to grave situation, it will never work. This covers everything. Puts the responsibility back onto the guys in the field to be proactive, and that cannot do anything else but deliver productivity.
And in turn, hopefully growth. Yeah.